Welcome back, everybody. Lighting ESL Word of the Day. What's our word today? Well, the magic ball is going around and going this way, we're going that way, and we're upstairs looking at people saying, when should I go? When should I stop? Here? Stop? Okay. They said stop. Peddle. Peddle. What's a peddle? You might say to yourself, peddle? There's two different words with the same pronunciation, peddle. Yes, there is. If you're on your bicycle, where you put your feet is called on a pedal. P-E-D-L-E. But I'm talking about a different pedal. How do we spell that special word? A little different. A little different. You see? P-E-D-D-L-E. Peddle. Peddle. Two main syllables for the word pedal. In this case, with this spelling, we're talking about having goods, products to sell. Door to door, door to door. You're peddling your products to try to sell to many, many people over and over and over. It's called peddle. P-E-D-D-L-E. Not to be confused where you put your foot, or feet in this case, on a bicycle, side by side. On a pedal. Push this pedal, push that pedal for the bicycle to go. Same pronunciation, totally different spelling. So remember, when you describe it verbally or you write it down, be very, very specific, because the other word pedal is spelled like this. You see? It's totally different. The one on the bottom refers to a bicycle. Bicycle. I'm pedaling along, like, where's your feet? On a pedal. They're pushing, pushing, pushing. The chain, make the wheels go around and so on. We're not talking about that. We're talking about peddle. Peddle. Peddle the goods and services to many people in the street. Try to sell this, try to sell your service or your products. That's called peddle. P-E-D-D-L-E. It is different than the second one I mentioned. P-E-D-A-L. All right? Pronunciation is exactly the same. Meaning is totally different. And the spelling is totally different. This happens a lot in the English language. So remember, when you write out the word, be very, very specific in your spelling. When you're talking about a certain object, in this case, peddle the products to sell, it's P-E-D-D-L-E. Talking about a bicycle pedal, P-E-D-A-L. You see? That's about understanding English language properly in comprehension. Okay? Till next time, thanks very much for listening. Bye-bye.